Today we're going to be making doggy treats with the assistance of the Great Oz and a Guinness. Let's get to it. This recipe is simple. There are 3 basic ingredients. Whichever meat you select, beef, pork, venison, ostrich, or other. For the safer option, grind it at home, or you can buy it pre-ground at the store. Then take a good amount of ginger and use a spoon to scrape off most of the skin. And as you grate the ginger, be careful and use your palms to avoid scraping knuckles. I also found some turmeric root as a supplement and grated it with the skin on. Then add all the ingredients together, plus 1 or 2 eggs, and mix. Using 2 sheets of parchment paper, add a handful of meat and spread out with a rolling pin, or any round cylindrical object like an empty bottle of whiskey or wine. Then trim off the excess. At the end, it should be about 1/8 of an inch thick. Total baking time is going to be about 1 hour. After about 20 minutes, drain any excess liquid and cut the patty into 4 squares for easier flipping. The last step is to cut the jerky into the desired size.
Now for the moment of truth. Sit up. Oh my God, he loves it.
Who's the luckiest dog in the world? Ozymandias.
Ozzy, sit. Pop. Good boy.
So there you have it. Quick and easy, yummy food that the humans make. None of that factory chemical infused stuff. Tonight I will maybe eat one of Master's cigars. And tonight I will finish with a little bit of meat juice and a cigar. Cigars are yum. Anyway, keep the humans cooking until next time. Tonight I'll finish with a caoba cigar and continue with the Guinness. Keep cooking until next time.